Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, it's Thursday evening and I promised to do a giveaway. So in just a couple minutes I'm going to flip this camera around and I'm going to show you what I got going on over here. Got my random number generator picked up already. It's almost like Wheel of Fortune. We're going to do the spinny wheelie thing and it'll pick the number. So there was 44 of you guys. So we've got it selected from 1 to 44. And I've got front and part of the back on this notepad here of all the names that entered up until last night at around midnight. So without further ado, let me flip you guys around and we're going to get this number picked and we're going to give away a 53 Corvette. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to the 44 of you that jumped into the giveaway. I also want to thank everybody that made comments on the giveaway but didn't necessarily enter. I appreciate every one of you guys. I appreciate all my subs, new and old. And I can't express my gratitude for all of you commenting, liking my videos, and your subscriptions. So, let's get this show underway, shall we? Like I said, I pulled out my old dusty, trusty cell phone here. And we've got this random number picker here. And I input 1 through 44. Okay? And this is going to be a spinny doodle. And we'll end up hitting this, and it will select a number. Now, like I said, I have numbers on this list. Let me do a rundown really quick. You can see everybody that's on the list. I'll flip it really quick and show you the remainder. Alright. Alright, so back to this. Alright, on the count of 3, I'm going to spin this thing. 1, 2, 3. Number 25. Number 25 is Chris Markert. Chris, congratulations on winning the AMT 1953 Corvette model kit. Get a hold of me within 48 hours at the email that's flashing across the screen right now, and I will get this model kit mailed out to you. Alright guys, that's all I got. I appreciate you guys jumping in at a chance to win this model kit. And when we get to 1,000 subs, we're going to do it again. Alright guys, have a great evening. Thanks for watching.